guys, look. This is where the river comes from. So there is a bridge right there, if you could see it. But we're gonna get on the bridge soon, so you'll see it close by. We are walking towards the bridge.
Where the bridge is?
So we are gonna get to the bridge soon. This is the picnic area, so we could like eat lunch, dinner, anything over here. I think you have a beautiful view up here. Look. Wow. And there are even houses that's nearby. They're so lucky to have this. But we're leaving the spot. We're gonna continue straight to get to that bridge over there. Actually, close by. So there's a bench, and look, see, like relax and look at the beautiful view. And look, there are even stairs. We go down the stairs, and we can like dip our toes. Look at that one. Look at that one. Okay. See? So the entrance is right here. But we're going to the bridge, which is right there. We're going. Let's go. So this is someone else's backyard who live here. Who is so lucky. Their backyard has a barbecue, everything, and this awesome view. And there's the bridge we were talking about. Guys, I can't even hear myself because the water tank is too high. Look. Look at that. We could do fishing here, but I don't see any fish here. So, come on, there's fishing. And look, this is the spot for resting and like for a spot for viewing. Look at you. Look down there. Yeah, look at the pigeons. They look at pigeons, or maybe they might be. What is it, bro? Never mind. Okay. There's a river comes from there.